Thursday. This focus includes the following counties in Texas: Cameron, Hidalgo, and WILLACY, and the following marine locations: Laguna Madre from the port of Brownsville to the Arroyo, Colorado; Laguna Madre from the Arroyo, Colorado to 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas; Laguna Madre from 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield to Baton Bay, Texas; coastal waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to Rio Grande out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Baton Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Cameron and WILLACY counties tonight, patchy fog until midnight. Thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Very windy. Near steady temperature in the lower 80s. East winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Thursday, showers with thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Windy with highs in the upper 80s. East winds 25 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%.